In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a CV on laptop. So the first thing you want to do, inside Windows 11, most laptops nowadays have a subscription of Microsoft Office already on them, okay? If you don't have it, you can get it, and that's the easiest way to get a CV or to create a CV. So what you want to do is go down here to the search bar and click on it and type in Word. Then you want to open up your Word. And then once that opens up, you want to go to New here on the left and type in where it says Search for Online Templates, type in CV. So it's Curriculum Vitae, and it's a CV basically. You want to click Enter then. And then once that's done, as you can see, you'll get tens of different templates for your CV. And then what you want to do is simply choose one and click on it. So let's say I want this first one. You want to click on it and press Create. And this will, as you can see, create your CV. And what you then want to do is fill it up according to yourself. So according to your experience, education, skills, activities, name, surname, email, stuff like that. So yes, that's how you create a CV on laptop the easiest way.